Hello guys, in this video we will going to discussing about commercial auto insurances. What is a commercial auto insurance for businesses? Commercial vehicle insurance is a policy of physical damages and liability coverages for amounts, situations and usages not covered by a personal auto insurance. What is commercial car insurance means? Commercial vehicle insurance is needed to cover the cars, trucks and vans used in conducting your businesses. Large fleets as well as small businesses should be properly covered by a commercial auto insurance policy. What is a commercial auto insurance? Commercial vehicle insurance is a policy of physical damage and liability coverages of amounts, situations and usages not covered by a personal auto insurance policy. This type of a business insurance covers many types of commercial vehicles from automobiles and for business purposes including company cars to a wide variety of commercial trucks and vehicles. What kind of vehicles are covered by commercial auto insurance policy? Box trucks, food trucks, work vans, and service utilities trucks are just a few examples of larger commercial vehicles which will require a commercial auto insurance policy, including coverages of employees operating the vehicle, of possibly the equipment you inside. You may have heard of this coverage referred to as commercial auto insurances. Commercial car insurance, truck insurance or fleet insurance, while commercial vehicle insurance is mostly commonly associated with trucks or more recognized work vehicles. Regular cars and automobiles may also require a commercial auto policy if they are used for a business purpose. Why do you need a commercial insurance, vehicle insurances? Certain business usages and vehicle types may be excluded from personal auto insurance policies. Why? Since personal auto insurance were not meant for businesses, they are written and rated differently. Most important to you, a business owner or a manager, businesses often need the particular coverages found in a commercial auto insurance policies. What does commercial vehicle insurance cover? Commercial vehicle insurance, like your personal auto insurance, provides similar coverages such as liability, collision, comprehensive medical payments for personal injury protection, and uninsured motorist coverages. However, there are also different between a commercial auto insurance policy and your personal auto policy that may include eligibility, definitions, coverages, exclusions, and limits. What are the coverages in a commercial vehicles policy? Bodily injury liability coverages and property damage liability coverages, combined single limits, medical payments, no fault or personal injury coverages, uninsured motorist coverages, underinsured motor coverages, and